Hi guys! Welcome back sa ating channel. So, another day of our beauty journey. And for today's video guys, is I will share with you kung paano ko ba ginagawa itong look na to, which is yung aking fresh wear makeup routine. So, kung gusto ko maging fresh looking lang, and you know, wala masyadong stress, kunwari, and so I do this kind of makeup. So, kung interesado ka kung paano ko gawin itong klase ng makeup, then keep on watching! Alright, so yan guys, nag-prep na ako ng aking face. So, I've washed and moisturized my face. And also, before ako actually mag-start ng aking makeup routine is, pinaprep ko na rin yung aking lips. So, naglalagay na ako ng aking lip moisturizer. So, kapag naglagay na ako ng lipstick and magiging smooth yung aking pag-apply ng lipstick and mawawala yung ating mga dry or cracked lips kung meron man. Alright, so, since gusto natin ng fresh looking face today, what I actually do is before I apply my foundation, ina-apply ko na yung aking tint. So, I'm gonna be using my Colourette tint here. So, this is in the shade Maddie. Alright, so this is one of my favorite shades, guys. So, what I do is, maglalagay lang ako ng mga dots dyan. So, note guys, dot lang kasi these are very pigmented. At the same time, oil-based siya. So, okay lang yan kahit medyo mapula kasi papatungan pa natin yan ng ating foundation. Ayan. So, sinasama ko actually aking nose para medyo sun-kissed effect ba. Alam mo yun? So, ayan. Actually, mawawala na yan maya. So, lalagyan ko lang ulit pa ng isang dot. Alright. And then, what's good about this color tint, guys, kaya favorite ko to kasi it's easy to blend and it's very long-lasting. Alright. So, the rest, medyo nalag ko siya sa aking chin. Okay. Alright, so, for our base, guys, I'll be using my MaxFactor Healthy Skin Harmony. So, I'm in the shade, ano bang shade ako dito? Nude! I'm in the shade Nude 47 with SPF 20. So, maglalagay lang ako onte at the back of my hand. So, this formula, or yung formula lang nitong foundation nito, guys, is thin lang din. Kaya ako siya gusto kasi very wearable siya. And ang thin lang din ang kanyang consistency. So, that's why super gusto ko to. So, pag ganito guys, mas gusto ko lang ginagamit yung aking kamay. Ayan. To evenly blend the product. There. Then, of course, sama rin natin si leeg. So, a bit more. So, dito sa leeg, gagamit na lang ako ng aking brush. My flat kabuki brush. Ayan. So, to even out, you know, the color. Pantayin lang natin siya dito sa ating mga forehead. So, actually guys, sa shade na to, or sa foundation actually, mas laging lighter yung pinipili ko. Bakit? Kasi acidic ako. So, yung mga foundation sa akin is nag-oxidize. So, I have to get 2 to 3 shades lighter than my original shade dahil nga nag-oxidize lang sila sa akin. So, after, if it's well blended na, then, andyan na nakalock na si cheek tint sa ating cheeks. para it helps you get a long-lasting effect. And alam mo yun. So what I like about this foundation, guys, is yun nga, very healthy siya looking sa face. Hindi siya matte. Also, it's not drying. So, ang isiset ko lang sa aking face, guys, kasi nga, gusto ko yung effect na medyo luminous, healthy looking ang peg natin ngayon. So, I'm just gonna set my brows with the powder para hindi ako mahirapan maglagay ng aking eyebrow product. Alright, so with this look, so gusto ko very natural lang ating brows. So, I will use again, my favorite brow pencil, which is the Fashion Brow by Maybelline. There. Okay, apply lang natin siya. Medyo mabilis. Alright, so yan. Gagawin ko lang na mabilis yung aking isa pang brows and I'll be right back. Alright, so ayan guys. Tapos na natin ating 2 brows. So, next naman is maglalagay lang ako ng onting something sa eyes. So, I will just use my clay blush. Alright, so this is Sun-Kissed. So, saan ko siya ilalagay? Lalagay lang ako ng onte sa aking eyes. Just like that. And then, blend it with your pinky. Just a bit more on the other side. Alright, so para lang medyo magkonting or magkaroon ng onting kulay ang ating eyelids. Alright, so since this is a clay, I will just set it with a compact powder. You know, para lang hindi siya medyo maligkit tignan. Or maligkit kasi medyo clay kasi yung nilagay natin, guys. So, ayan. Alright, so medyo konting ano lang sa ating eyes. That will be enough. If you want to add some more, that's fine. Sige, add pa tayo onte. Para may konting kulay. So, ito yung mga gusto ko sa mga clay blush, sa mga tints. Kasi you can use it to your cheeks, to your lips, and to your eyes. So, diba? All in one na siya, guys. So, just tap back. Then, again, just add more of your powder para lang hindi siya malagkit. Kukulan tayo ng onting-onting blush para lang din hindi siya mukhang or masyadong shiny. Then, medyo padukan natin ng blush. Ayan. So, diba? Parang kinilig ka lang. And also, medyo patungan na rin natin si nose. Kasi medyo oily ako dito. Or ito yung mabilis oil up talaga sa akin. And konti lang sa eyes. Ayan. So, hindi ko lalagyan si cheeks, guys, kasi gusto ko yung, medyo shiny effect siya. So, hindi ko siya lalagyan. Ito lang mga nag-oil up sa akin. Ayan. So, next naman is maglalagay lang din ako ng aking mascara kasi mas gusto ko yung open na open yung aking mga lashes. By the way, guys, I'm using the Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara, my favorite very affordable mascara. So, I highly suggest guys na get this kind of mascara. Kasi with its price, it will really help your mascara, you know. Hindi talaga siya bababa. It will really hold your mascara up all day long. Trust me. Oops, medyo kumalat. Oh my gosh. Wait lang. Alright, so nilinis ko lang yung medyo kumalat nating mascara. So there you go guys. Can you see my lashes? So hindi ako eyelash curler niyan ha. So diretso mascara lang, but still you see the effect of that mascara. I so love it. So it's a must-have. Or aside from that, you will not go to our lips. So, same na ginamit natin sa cheeks kanina. Nagamitin ko lang yung aking same color tint sa aking lips. So, just dot, dot, dot. Ayan. Actually, ginagamit ko, nilagay ko tong ganitong tint if I want my lipstick to last long, or kahit mag-fade man yung aking lipstick, meron pa rin akong tint sa aking lips. So, ipapatong naman natin dyan is yung aking Maybelline Fit Me, or not Maybelline Fit Me, Maybelline powder mattes na clay crush or clay crush. Nalilito talaga ako dito. So, ayun, clay crush. So, ipapatong lang natin yan dun sa nilagay nating Colourette lip tint. Alright, so guys, ayan na yung ating look for a fresh, wearable makeup routine ko. So, yun, if nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, so please do give this a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe kung bago ka sa aking channel. So, kung gusto mo pang makakuha ng mga tips and tutorials, then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!